Here are two options on what you can do to start online digital marketing as a complete beginner. One's going to take a lot of time, one's going to take an investment. So if you want to do one that doesn't involve an investment, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do a lot of research. You're going to need to do a research on how to create an ebook or a course to promote. You're going to have to do a lot of research on how to have a website that's up and running. You're going to have to do research on an automated system. You're going to have to learn email marketing. You're going to have to learn how to promote on social media. It's going to take a lot of research and a lot of time to learn all those skills and knowledge. Or you can literally purchase a program one time, get 100% resale rights to it, have a website up and running within 24 hours, have a system that's automated that's going to work for you 24/7 within 24 hours, and have a proven process to follow that's literally going to make you income quickly. So those are the two options. The option I took was investing in a program one time. I invested a total of $924 one time 6 months ago, and I have now made $16,000 working off my phone. So those are your two options. Take whichever one you think is best for you. If you have time to give away, do the one where you're not having to invest and you can literally do it all yourself. Or you could just invest one time and literally have a step-by-step guide. If you want that second option, just comment me down below and I will give you more information.